undaunted courage and starlight scope allowed him to own the night. But just as crucial was his ability to take the enemy out of the fight. Whether it's a shootout in the Mekong Delta or a gunfight in Fallujah, the key to a sniper's survival is stopping power. Terminal ballistics.
Once a bullet strikes a target, now we get into terminal ballistics. I break down terminal ballistics into two ways. They hit something like a vehicle, a wall.